Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Libertex app not working issues. First, you need to restart the app. Sometimes the app just glitches. You need to close the Libertex completely, swipe it off the app switcher and reopen it. This often fixes freezing or loading problems. You are also required to check internet connection. Over here, you need to switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data as well and turn airplane mode on and off and try loading a web page to test your connection as well. And the next is to update your app. An older app version can cause crashes or errors. In order to do that, you need to go to the app store over here, and in the bottom right corner there's a search icon. Tap on the search icon, and in the bottom there's a search bar. Select again and type down Libertex, and on the bottom right we can see there's a search icon. Select that. Over here select the Libertex app, and here you'll get an update icon if there's any loaded updates are required to update to your Libertex app, and you need to make sure keeps the app updated, gives you the latest fixes as well. And if it does not load or keeps crashing, then what you have to do is you can simply delete this Libertex. Press this Libertex app, and on the bottom there's a remove app, and delete app again, and you can download it and reinstall the app from App Store. And make sure you remember your login details before reinstalling. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any trouble fixing on your Libertex. We will reach out to you very soon.